The Samsung Genuine Filter for Refrigerator Water and Ice, model HAFQIN/EXP, is a carbon block filtration system designed to reduce harmful contaminants in your drinking water. It is manufactured by Samsung and is specifically designed for use in Samsung refrigerators. Key features of the filter include: 1. Carbon block filtration. The filter utilizes a carbon block to trap and remove impurities from the water, including sediment, chlorine, and other potentially harmful substances. 2. High filtration efficiency. It is capable of reducing up to 99% of harmful contaminants, ensuring clean and clear drinking water. 3. 6-month lifespan. The filter has a recommended lifespan of 6 months or approximately 300 gallons, whichever comes first. It is essential to replace the filter regularly to maintain its effectiveness. It is important to note that the HAFQIN/EXP filter is compatible with specific Samsung refrigerator models. Before purchasing, make sure to check the compatibility of the filter with your refrigerator model to ensure proper installation and performance. Remember to follow the manufacturer's instructions for installation and replacement of the filter to maintain optimal performance and ensure the quality of your drinking water.